Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm talking about the Festive Friends Cards with Robin workshop because it uses this stamp set that has the cutest little chubbiest Christmas images that are so fun. But I tried to use them on several cards each and different sizes and stuff. So here's our chubby snowman. We've got some Santa Claus with some elves peeking out. Our cute little snowman again, similar but different. We have our Santa with some trees behind him and a little cluster of elves, so cute. And we have a snowman because he ended up being my favorite, so he got an oversized stay on this one. This one is not a mailable card size; it's just a gift tag size, so it's very cute. And then Santa Claus is coming to town. So I hope you will take part in this Festive Friends Cards with Robin because it's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.